Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on them, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's enter software information here and localize the build number. It is crucial to find it because thanks to it we will be able to actually activate the developer options, and all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. If you've got any kind of pattern, PIN or password, your device will ask you to enter it to confirm everything, and as you can see we've got this information, so we can go back to the general settings because right under the About Phone we will have the developer options. So let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can change the window animation scale, we can show surface updates, pointer location. Here we've got some options which are connected to the networking because we've got the NFC, Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So really lots of options to customize. And if you want to turn on the feature, simply tap on the switcher on it. So basically it works the same just like in the general settings. Just tap on the switcher and as you can see it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Simply tap on the switcher at the top, which is pinned to the top of the screen, and as you can see most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back to the general settings they will disappear from the list. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.